Hello friends, this is Mohan, and first of all thank you very much for watching this video. Friends, do you always feel that you are not able to get success because of others? The others can be your environment, circumstances, education, family background, lack of opportunities. So if you feel that you are not successful because of these things, that means that you are always blaming others. You are not blaming yourself. It may be possible that there was a time when you were just a kid or a little toddler, when you were not capable of doing anything else and you were totally dependent on your family, on the circumstances. But even if attaining the majority, still, if you are blaming others, that means you are delaying your success. Rather, you are pushing away your success. Because whenever you do something and you fail, it's very easy for you to blame others. You can always say that had I been more educated, I would have succeeded. Had I been born in rich family, I would have been successful. Had I been wealthy person, I would have achieved success. So it's very easy to blame others. But have you ever introspect or introspected yourself that why I am not able to achieve success? Why success is evasive to me? If you have not introspected and you have always blamed others, it means that you are just finding easy target to show that you have not done anything wrong, and whatever has happened to you or happened with you is only because of the others. But if you don't take responsibility of your task, till then you are not going to get success. Then success will be evasive and it will be keep cheating you, because you always want to get success. The success means that you want to do something but you are not able to do it. You want to achieve some goals of your life, you are not able to achieve it. You want to earn a lot of money, you are not able to achieve it. You want to bring a lot of happiness to your family, you are not able to do it because you always blame others. And as long as you blame others, till then you are not going to introspect yourself, you are not going to review yourself. Whenever you are going to do something, you know that you always prepare, you already prepared yourself for failure. Because the moment you think that, okay, I am going to try that venture, next question comes in your mind. But if you don't, if you lose, if you fail, what will you do? Then immediately you start thinking about the options. If I fail, I will again go back to my old work. I will go to my previous lifestyle. I will be satisfied whatever I am doing because I knew I may succeed or I may not succeed. So what happens before starting anything, you have already lot of options which are on your failure side. Have you ever thought, in case if you think, if I succeed, how my life is going to change? If I succeed, how my family is going to have a positive change? How my life is going to change? How my circle is going to change? Because we always blame others and it's been conditioned our life in such a way that if we are able to blame others because of our easy targeting, we always try to blame others. If I am not able to do something, it is because of some other factors. I am not to be blamed because I am not considering myself as a flexible person. And the moment you think that no, I am not getting success because of the reasons which belongs to me, not belongs to the circumstances, not belongs to the external factors, then what will happen? You will start working on your weak areas. If you have started some business or you have failed, then you can easily introspect that what went wrong, what mistakes you have done. It may be that you have not studied the product which you have launched. It may be because of the poor planning, poor strategy. You have not made proper survey of the market. You have not taken the experienced people in your team. You have not thought that in case if this product didn't work, what other product I am going to launch. Because you were having only one product and that failed, and you feel that now you are a failure. Sometimes we are not able to move because of our past references, past experience. Because whatever you are responding, you are not responding to the reality. You are just responding to your past reference or past experience. If the past experience was pretty good with regard to some event, some business, some goals, then you are going to get motivation because of your past reference. But if the past reference was of failure, of rejection, then you are having that sort of feeling, that sort of memory in your mind, and you are just going to be skeptical about your new venture. So it's very, very important that if you are having any bad experience, that you should remove your bad experience, past bad experience from your mind, from your memory, so that you can start afresh in new project. And suppose you are pretty much sure that you are going to get success, or you are going to get succeed in any new venture. How will you react? What will your actions? Then you will put all your energy, all your efforts, because you know that you are going to get success, you are going to get succeed. So you will not leave any stone unturned. You will put all your energy on your efforts, and you will not think about the options, that what options are available to me in case if I don't succeed. So it is very, very important, friend, that if you are going to make excuses, then don't make excuses on the basis of the circumstances which is beyond your control. If you really want to make excuses, then make excuses that you have not prepared well in advance because you have failed. And the more you introspect yourself, the more you go deep into your mind and find out that what are the reasons, or what were the reasons because of that I am not able to move forward, then eventually you will find that you are able to move towards your success. Nobody wants to be a failure in their life. Nobody wants to get a tag of failure. But why so many people are failed in their ventures, in their goals, in their resolutions? Because we always blame others. And as long as you will keep on blaming others, you are just going to push away your success. So if you want to be successful, if you want success in your life, if you want to taste the success, then stop blaming others and review yourself. Review your actions, observe your mindset, what's going on in your mind before thinking about any project. So friends, I hope that you have liked this video, and I request you to like and share this video with your friends and family members. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my latest videos. So thank you very much for giving your time. Bye bye, take care.